Hello, sir. You hear me okay?
I can hear you.
All right. So before we get started, go ahead and kick your left foot out on the skid, and then you can go ahead and fasten your seatbelt. You don't want it too tight. You just want it nice and snug. Oh. And so go ahead and loosen it up from right here. You don't want that extra seatbelt hanging outside. You want
So what we're going to have you do is we're going to have you undo it, let it all the way back out, and when you pull it, you're going to pull it from the right side.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, here you go. There you go. Just like
there
that.
You go.
How does that feel? Is that good?
Yep.
You don't want it too tight though.
Yeah, no, that could be
Is that good?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and kick your foot back inside. All right, keep your foot inside. I'll let you know when it's time to kick it out. All right?
Yep.
You ready to go fly?
Let's go.
All right, let's do this. All right, cabin weapon secure, confirmed on Hollywood.
Roger, cabin weapon are secure, confirmed on Hollywood. Hey, buddy, what's happening, man?
Nice to meet you.
Awesome. So, you got the safety brief on the ground?
Yep.
Do you have any questions on it?
It's all good.
Sounds good to me, man. If you're ready, let's go have some fun. All right, lights are out, gauge is green, fuel looks good, clear up and right.
Clear up and left.
Coming up. Where you from, buddy?
Australia.
What area?
Sydney.
Okay. I never made it down to Sydney. I was up in I was with the Marine Corps, and we ported in Brisbane.
Oh, cool.
And we also went to Townsville and Cairns, I think.
Oh, what's the talking about, man?
South Kilo is clear.
No, not too much. But we had fun in Brisbane, that's for sure. Roger, South is clear.
All right. Are you right-handed?
Yes.
Okay, so when it's time to shoot, your right hand is going to go on that pistol grip, left hand on that stock. All right, when you pull that trigger, pull it nice and hard all the way to the rear. Hold it down for a minimum of 5 seconds. All right, give me a nice long push on the gun. All right, I'll let you know when it's time to kick your foot out. And North Kilo is clear.
Roger, North Kilo is clear. You are clear to load.
Roger, clear to load. All right, you keep this foot inside. I'll let you know when you can kick it out. Huck in my gun.
Roger, huck gun to yours.
Wash is clear.
Your shooter.
All right, go ahead and kick that left foot out. Hands in position, right hand there, left hand right there. Just like that. All right, we're going to start with this first target in there when I say squeeze. Squeeze that trigger nice and hard.
Weapon spring.
Squeeze!
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Yeah, that's right. Get that guy shot in the right. Nice. All right, that trigger. All right, get your back in action. All right, get that guy right there by the tires. Yeah, light it up. Next target up. Up, that trigger. Up, nice. Get those guys at the edge, the two at the edge. Okay, step by. All right, we're going to swing around the mountain. Let me get that gun back.
All right.
All right, I'm going to need a backstop.
Roger, stand by.
Roger.
What gun is this?
11.
Okay.
Backstop. Back up.
There we go.
All right, let's get you back in action. Okay, my gun.
Roger, huck gun to your gun.
All right, man.
Weapon spring.
Squeeze! There you go. Yeah, buddy. All right, that was your award, 200 rounds. Would you like to purchase another barrel of 100 rounds? It's $250.
I'm good, thank you.
You're all good, buddy?
I got it up here with us. We don't have to go back down.
You're all good? All right, kick your foot back inside. Good shoot. Weapon is clear.
Roger, weapon is clear. You did great, man.
Thank you.
How you feeling?
You're good.
It's kind of crazy, huh?
Yeah. Cabin weapon secure.
Cabin weapon secure, RTB.
Good job.
Thank you, mate.
All right, buddy, just stay situated real quick. We're going to get the aircraft down on the ground. At that point in time, Frankie will step outside. He'll have you undo your seatbelt and your headset. And he'll help you out. Make sure you don't touch that barrel, okay? Yep. But it's been my pleasure flying you today.
Thank you so much.
Hope you enjoy the rest of your time in Vegas.
Well, thank you.
You get all these experiences in as they can. All right, buddy, that is it. Thanks for coming out with us. Great job.
Thank you very much.
All right, you're good. You're good. Take your seatbelt off. Hang your headset up.